Introduce highlight features or overview summary of LASTCOW solar-powered, 4G, LTE modem router. There are features include solar rechargeable and 100% wireless. LASTCOW solar Wi-Fi router combined with a solar panel and a built-in 24,000 mAh rechargeable battery, the 4G, LTE cellular router can be used continuously for 365 days without replacing the battery. IP66 waterproof rating of the 4G router, making it resistant to all types of weather and outdoor conditions, including snow and thundery day. With 200 megabit free network data. The solar Wi-Fi router comes with a free 4G SIM card and comes with 200 megabit of free network data. You can scan the QR code on the SIM card packaging or enter the website to recharge your network data plan. If you don't use this free card, you can also equip your device with a data card yourself. When in use, simply activate the 4G SIM card and insert it into the device's card slot to provide data input for the device. Works with most 4G SIM card. Simply insert a SIM card and connect all your Wi-Fi devices to the internet. Insert your SIM card from T-Mobile, Verizon, Sprint other to get download speeds up to 150 MB per second. Which is very convenient for places where wired internet is not available, such as holiday cottages or remote cameras or travel. Universal compatibility. Solar-powered 4G LTE modem router compatible with all network Wi-Fi cameras and all brands of smartphone, laptop, tablet PC, Smart TV, other Wi-Fi device, no need to connect power cable, very convenient and easy to use. Perfect for you. LASTCOW 4G Wi-Fi solar router is just insert the SIM card into the router and enter the PIN code on the web setup page to start using a stable and fast wireless network, ideal for places without internet coverage. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.